Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of showing your birth date to your following in X. By sharing your birth date, you can allow the people you follow to celebrate and connect with you on your special day. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're inside X, look for the account icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, find and tap on the profile option. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 4. On your profile page, you'll notice your header picture. Tap on it to reveal additional options. Step 5. From the options menu, select Edit Profile. This will allow you to make changes to your profile details. Step 6. Inside the profile editing screen, locate the privacy settings for your birth date. You'll find two options: People you follow and Private. Step 7. To show your birth date specifically to the people you follow, switch both options to People you follow. This will make your birth date visible only to those you're following. Step 8. Take a moment to review your changes and ensure that both options are set to People you follow. Congratulations! You have successfully shown your birth date to your following in X. Your profile will now display your birth date, allowing the people you follow to celebrate and connect with you on your special day. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to show your birth date to your following in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.